9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off.
-1. -2.
I tried to time it good.
That's all right.
Hopefully it lights.
Yeah, I'd rather you be over here than over there when it goes off.
Where is it?
Watch, the parachute will come out. There we go. See the smoke trail? There's the parachute.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
Here it comes.
Okay, so it's coming down pretty fast now. Let's see if the parachute will open.
Where is it?
Over here.
Oh, there
Is that parachute not open yet? I can't tell how big the parachute is.
I think it's partially open. See how it's spinning?
Yeah, I think it did.
There.
It's
Yep.
spinning.
it is. Okay. I
But
hope
it's
it
definitely
doesn't-
slowed it down enough where
Uh-huh.
I think we'll be able to recover it. As long as it doesn't end up in a tree.
Which is very possible.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, yay, it hit the ground. Woohoo!